fasten. Here we go, guys. Front row of Lech coaster. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's see if we can do that.
Nice to be front row.
Here we go, guys. I think, I'm not sure. Sarah, smile, you're on camera. Oh, this is a great roller coaster. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I prefer front or back.
I don't know, the front was very nice, but
It was really
the back
good.
is always great.
That was great.
I have to say it's quite cold today.
Yeah, it's a little bit cold.
I'm just tearing up.
I have my winter jacket on, though, you know.
Yeah.
But that was really fun.
That's great.
Signal. There was Lech coaster.